James Cook University is Australia's university for the tropics with a specific focus on rural, remote and Indigenous issues and health. Our mission is to ensure that we produce graduates that not only are good enough to work anywhere in the world, but are good enough to work in rural and remote and Indigenous Australia. Study with us or do your clinical placements with us, or both, then we will ensure that you have those opportunities.
I chose Emerald Hospital because it's a rural environment, so it gives you more of a variety than a city metropolitan area. So being able to experience the general ward and ED, whereas there's some people just get stuck to the general ward. So I've had a bit more of a variety over my placement.
Working with clinicians who have real world experience in these contexts, you'll get great supervisors, breadth of experience and clinical opportunity, really preparing you to be the graduate for tomorrow.
I was lucky enough to get an Emerald placement last year in 2022, so I came out here in June, July last year. One of the key aspects of being part of the community was the rugby club for me, so when I came here as a student last year, Zach Nichols, our clinical director here, is the coach of the local rugby club, so got involved with that in like a strapping sort of capacity in first aid. And then upon returning this year, I started playing as well, so rugby union makes up a pretty big part of this place.
I really suggest that other students come here for the amazing experience. The fact that you get lots of hands-on experience, you're able to interact with patients, and sometimes you get to have your own consultations.
So since I've been here, I've attended 3 births. One of the most interesting ones was a Caesar I attended for a little red-headed baby girl, and they decided to name her Claire after me, which was just lovely.
I would consider working rurally post-graduation because the people that I've met and the services that I have seen have been really interesting to see, and they have really helped to increase my experience in those areas.
I've been very supported by JCU staff even before coming to Emerald. We had a couple of issues with our accommodation and very easy just to reach out to the staff, and they were super helpful in getting everything sorted for us as well.
So I'm attending a rural placement because I was lucky enough to win a scholarship to attend the Indigenous Allied Health Australia conference last year in Canberra. So part of the scholarship was coming out to Emerald to do a placement here. We also stay with other students as well, so that's been really good. Being able to connect with them and just talk about everything health related has been really amazing, and I think helps to develop our skills and knowledge as well.
Definitely I'd recommend or think of working here in a rural community purely because of the environment you're in. I feel really supported here, and the community environment that Emerald provides, like there's always something going on that you can get yourself involved, so even if you're at rural you're not isolated.
The accommodation's fantastic. It's a 3-bedroom house, high set, and it's got everything that we would possibly need, amazing kitchen, facilities, everything that we could possibly want. And there's bikes available if we choose to use them.
Living in shared accommodation has been a great experience. All the girls that live in my house has all come together, and we do activities at night, we watch movies, we cook dinner together. It's been a very great experience.
What I've found really great while living in Emerald currently is the fact that it's such like a close-knit community, and it's not too big but also not too small. The fact that we have a shopping centre, a big W, which is great. Also nice little quaint coffee shops and a nice bar to go to if we wish to.
So on the weekends I like to go out to the Fanburn Dam and we watch the sunsets with the other students.
We also love going to trivia night with all the staff, with my friends and students, and get to know everyone outside of the clinical setting, as well as getting to know people in the community.
So we look forward to you coming to doing your clinical placements with us, to studying with us at James Cook University and experiencing the absolute delights of living, serving and working with the people of rural and remote Queensland.